Here's the Toyota CHR. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now in order to access the bulb, we need to get this light out, and for that you will need a flathead screwdriver or a 10mm socket ratchet combination or a 10mm wrench. So go ahead, get the screwdriver, put it right over there from the top behind that black panel, and then just pull it outwards. You have to pry this cover out straight. There are 6 clips which are holding this cover in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that go in the 6 slots right over there. So you just have to pull it out straight. Now we need to get those bolts out. So go ahead, get that 10mm socket ratchet combination and get those bolts out one by one and keep them somewhere safe. To get the light out, first rock the light. Just rock it, loosen it up a little bit. Now put your hand behind that black panel and try to pull it out straight towards the back of the car. Rock it a little bit more and now try to slide it out. It will pop right out. There's 2 pins, 1, 2 that go in those 2 holes over there. This cutout goes onto this white pin, it slides onto that pin, and then there's 2 holes for where the bolts go. Now that's the bulb holder for the parking light. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit to loosen it, and now it'll come right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and it will come off. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the bulb and push it over there inside the bulb holder to secure it, and when you put this back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. So be patient, it may take a few seconds. And once it drops in like this, now just twist your right to lock it. Now let's put the light back in the body. Before you push it in though, just keep one hand, get some pressure on the front end, and then with your other hand push the light inwards. That way that cutout goes onto the white clip and it sits in flush. See, it's not sticking out, which is good. The holes for the bolts are also lining up. Now let's just hand tighten those bolts one by one, and then let's tighten this down using the socket ratchet combination. This is not moving, so that's good. And for the cover, just get it in place and then push it down to engage those clips. 1, 2, 3, good. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.